functional equation f of x is equal to 2 times of f of 2021 by x is equal to 3x. Find f of 4. So these all problems we need to do only one method, that is replacement. Okay, I explained in the previous lecture, right? So replacement is what? If you have f of x and other should be replaced. Okay, so x should be replaced with what? X should be replaced with 2021 by x. Okay, 2021 by x. If it is replaced like this, then what I get here? F of 2021 by x plus 2 times of f of 2021 by 2021 by x. Here replacing by 2021 divided by x is equal to 3 into x place you can write as 2021 by x. So this 2021 cancel out, it goes up, so you get as 2 times of, this is f of 2021 by x plus 2 times of f of x is equal to 3 into 2021 by x. You are going to get this. So this is whatever is given, you think this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Our target is 2 f of x. You have to this should be removed out. Odd one should be removed out. So to remove this one, this is 2 times is there, this is single time is there. So second equation multiply with 2, first equation multiply with 1, and then do subtraction, you will get the answer. So second one I multiply with 2, so you get as 2 times of f of 2021 by x plus 2 2s of 4 f of x is equal to, and 4 3s are 12 into 2021 by x you will get. Is it right? Now this is the second equation after multiplying with 1, and then you can subtract with the first equation. So first equation is what? 2 f of 2021 by x plus f of x is equal to, you have 3x. This is first equation after multiplying with 1. So now do the subtraction here. This will be minus, this will become minus. So this will be cancelled out. So 4 f of x minus f of x is 3 f of x. 3 f of x is equal to where? This is 6, 20. So now you get this same is x into 2021 by x minus 3x, correct? Then we can write this one as f of x is equal to, we can write here, if you send this is 2021 by 6, this is cancel out once, 2 times cancel out, into 2 by x minus this 3 will come out, this divides, so you get x. So what I am saying here, 3 2 times and 3 cancel out, right? So what you get here? 2021 by x minus x. So f of 4 required. F of 4 is equal to what you get? 4042 divided by 4 minus 4. Okay, then you simplify, you get the answer. Two thousand 2013 by 2. Sure, na? Let's see. See here, the given f of x, see here, they given the equation f of x plus f of y, f of x plus f of y plus f of xy is equal to f of x into f of y plus 2. There is no formation like that, but they given some condition, f of 2 is equal to 9. This is given, f of 2 is equal to 9. So what to do here? X and y can be any real numbers. So I have to see that it should get 2 here. See, I need to think as you have to get anywhere 2. And think that f of 1 also to come. Why reason I will tell you. F of 2 you have, So just take it as x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 2 I have to get means if I want to get 2, 1 should be 1. Here x into y you have. I have to get 2. If I take 1 is 2, then another should be 1. Then only you get 1 into 2 is 2. See here 1 f of 2 is 9. I have to get 2 here. So 1 is 2 if I take, another is 1. If 1 is this, you can take anywhere, this side or that side. So if I take what I get here, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 2, right? This is equal to f of 1 into f of 2 plus 2. Why we used means f of 2 value I know, from that I get f of 1. Why I am using 1 only here? Because to get 2, here is the choice is 1. Right, so what I can write? F of 1 cancel out? No. So sorry. F of 1 plus 2 times of f of 2. Acha, 2 value 9 gaya na? 2 times of, okay, I'll write first. F of 2, f of 1 into 9 plus 2. Okay, then this value will be how much? 18, right? Huh? F of 1 and this, if I send this side, minus f of 1, minus 9 f of 1. This is equal to 2 and this plus 2 send this side, minus 2 times of f of 2 value 9. So I get minus 8 f of 1 is equal to minus 16. Minus minus cancel, f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 1 is 2, f of 2 is you got. Now you have to get what here? F of 5 you require. Now we'll think that f of 1 to get.
Same formula, just put y is equal to 5.
Y is equal to?
5 and x is equal to 1.
So you are going to get right?
Yes.
Are you sure? No, you will get? नहीं आएगा. देखो इधर क्या आएगा? f of 1, f of 5, f of 5, f of 5. आएगा? Sure?
Yes.
Confirm?
Yes.
करो एक बार. Now what I do here, see I have to make in the equation. See, look at here, this picture you have to see. This picture you can see. In this picture I want to make it one combination. One I have to make it. So to make it one, can I replace y as 1 by x? Replace y as 1 by x. Replace theory you should use, no? So what I get here, f of x plus f of 1 by x plus f of x into 1 by x, cancel f of 1, is equal to f of x into f of 1. Y value is 1 by x, sorry. F of 1 by x, correct? Plus 2 I get. Okay. So f of 1 is how much? 2. So I substitute here 2. F of x plus f of 1 by x plus 2 is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. मैंने कुछ गलत लिखा. plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. Okay. So f of x is equal to
1 plus or minus x to the power n.
f of x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x minus f of x, ना?
फॉर्मूला हो गया ना, f of x.
राइट ना फॉर्मूला हो गया. f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. I gave formula na yesterday. So what is the formula? f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n, है ना? चलो अभी f of 2 क्या दिया था? f of 2 is 9 they given. So f of 2 9 they given means this should be what? F of x is equal to 1 plus x cube. Then only 9, na? If I keep 2 here, 2 cube 8, 8 plus 1 9. This happens 1 plus x cube. Means f of x I got. What I required now? F of 5. So what I get? 1 plus 5 cube. That is 126. See what they have given. F and g be the functions which takes the integers as arguments. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus g of y plus 8 for all x comma y belongs to integer. Let f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to I. G of 8 is equal to 17, then f of 0 is equal to how much? So how to approach this?